Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this another episode of application process, we'll show the full process. How do you apply for the King Fahd University fully funded scholarship in Saudi Arabia? This scholarship from KFUPM is offered for masters and PhD degrees for open for international students. We'll show the full process for this. How do you apply? Before that, if you're new on our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. You also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarship related content is posted here and updated daily. The link for this King Fahd University scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links will be given in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net, our Instagram page, our Facebook page, or our website fullkashmirlook.com, the second website, and on Instagram, you can directly check out the stories here or Instagram highlights, or you can message our team and ask for the link, and they will send you that. Easiest and the best way to reach us is our website fullscholarships.net. Fullscholarships.net. Once you land on our website here, you can read about this scholarship. So this is offered by the King Fahd University, and it had just opened on 25th of the May, and it will close on 30th of June. So deadline is 30 June 2026. Host country is Saudi Arabia, and host university is King Fahd University. And you can apply for postgraduate masters and PhD scholarships. It's a full scholarship with the accommodation, feeding allowances, monthly stipend, and air tickets. So they will be provided and offered under this scholarship. So this fully funded graduate program is available in the university, and it is right now offering the benefits to international students, including the subsidized meals, visa, books, and everything. So you should apply before the June 30th deadline 2026. And you can see this scholarship offering based on the MS programs and PhD programs based on the thesis. And for project basis, they'll be opening soon. And then the requirements for this, you should maintain a GPA of 3 and above and hold a bachelor's degree previously. Duration for this, you can see a full tuition fee waiver for the study program. So the duration of the program of the study that they will cover the funding with the fully furnished air conditioned accommodation, free meals, monthly stipend, air travel tickets, and free medical care as well. Required documents that you need to keep handy to submit this is the transcripts, statement of purpose, ID card for Saudi. There is different, and for international students, you need to have the passport. Then two recommendation letters, color photograph with white background, CV, your resume, and degree certificates. If you're IELTS and TOEFL, you can submit that. GRE, GMAT, if you have, they are optional. You can submit them as well. How do you apply? Simply scroll down here. You can see, click here to apply. Click on this blue color button so that you fill the offline application, online application through the official website. Now, once you click on that, you can see the official website, King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals, your pathway to a world-class education and opportunities. You can see MS and PhD thesis based. So it's open right now, just opened on 20th May, and it will close on 30th June. This will MS project base will open on 30th June, 10th of June, and will close on 11th of June. So right now you can apply for this program here. So click on this apply. So you can see now, once you click on apply, you can see you will have to create an account. If you are new here for the first time, click on create one, create an account here, and enter email, your password, confirm email, and confirm the password. Then scroll down, like enter your first name, last name. Here you can see, and then choose the nationality here and your phone number. Then select the gender, and once you are ready, you can click on submit, and you will simply successfully sign up. So we already have done this part here. You can see our username and password. We have successfully signed up. Now I'll click on login here. You can see we have successfully logged in here, and you can click on view available programs here. In your case, there won't show anything. We have previously showed some demo applications, and we had some open there. So you can see the fall intake 2026 application uh, for spring. You can click on this apply button here, And you can see you have to select a degree program, which program you wish to apply, MSc or PhD or MPhil. So you can see sponsorship type, self-sponsored, educational sector sponsored, non. You can see you have to select that. If there's anything else you can submit, you can see self-sponsored international student, you have to select that. And now click on save and continue. Major, select the subject. After that, click on save and continue. Now your personal details will be there, so you have to complete this personal info, education history, work experience, referrals, tests, documents, and then simply you have to enter the recommendation details and simply submit the application. So basic process is there. Let me just submit the application here so that we fill the details first. Just the details. Let me submit the information here. You have to choose the basic information. Similarly, country of birth, your native language, identification type, you mention passport, enter the passport number, and require visa, select yes. Date of issue of the passport and date of expiry of the passport. These two you have to be clear. Now after that, enter the address, city, region, postcode, and country of residence. Click on save and continue. Now your education history, select the university if it is there, and if it is not, select other and mention the name. Then select the country where you have your complete your bachelor's degree, ST. Select the GPA scale and then your GPA, and select the degree type. You can see bachelor's of science, regular or full time, and major computer science, duration 4 years, year of completion you can mention here, and then click on add education, or you can just skip this. And if you have employment, you can add that. I'll skip this. Now any referrals you have, we don't have, click on save and continue. Test type for English, if you have a Duolingo, IELTS or TOEFL, you can submit that here. And let me choose the English test score here. In case you are not having it, you can get one. Let's open this here. And issue date of the test, overall. So I'll just click on save and continue. And after this test scores, okay, PNG is not allowed, so we have to choose the PDF. Let me just choose one of the samples here. So I'll just keep this and click on save and continue. So now it's done. So scroll down here and now upload one by one these files. So let's choose the files here. First is the CV. Second is the SOP. Third is the ID card that you have to submit. For us, it's passport. Now, bachelor's transcript, and now click on save and continue. So almost we have any miscellaneous documents you need to submit. Else you can submit your bachelor's degree. Click on save and continue. And now you have to submit a recommendation letter here. So submit the recommended details here one by one. Then recommended 2. After that, scroll down and click on save and continue. Now something is missing, maybe test section and recommended section. So if you wish to clear them, you can directly click on this. Let's go test section here. So test date we have to mention here. Let's click on save. Okay, done. Now let's click on save and continue, and click on save and continue. So we have done this part. Click on save and continue. So you can see recommended section, just recommendation is pending, and once recommendation is complete, you can simply submit the application. So you should ask your recommender to submit it before the deadline, and once they receive the recommendation from the recommender, so you will get the information. It will go to application section here, and we can submit the application. Once we are ready to submit, you can go to submission here, and that's the only issue that we are pending with, the recommendation letter from the professor. Rest we are done. In case you have any confusions, ask us in the comment section below. And how do you get recommendation from a professor from a previous institute? There are tips. You should ask him to write so that your application will be reviewed at least. Anything you have in mind or you have doubt anywhere in the process, directly message us on Instagram here. And for that, you need to visit our website fullscholarships.net, or you can contact us there and get the support assistance on the website as well. That's it for today. I'm signing off for Full Scholarships. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.